Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Nissan Altima key fob for push start. To begin, gather all your existing key fobs. It's important to ensure your car battery is fully charged to prevent any interruptions during the process. Next, close all the car doors firmly. Then, use the driver's side lock to lock all the doors. This crucial first step prepares your vehicle for the programming sequence. Now, insert your key into the ignition and remove it 6 times within a 10-second period. Do this quickly and consistently. You will know you've succeeded when your hazard lights flash twice. This confirms your vehicle has entered programming mode. Immediately after the hazard lights flash, turn the ignition to the ACC position. This holds the car in programming mode for the next step. With the car in programming mode, take your first key fob. Press any button on it just once. The hazard lights will flash again, confirming that this specific key fob has been successfully programmed. Now, repeat this exact same process for every other key fob you wish to program. Ensure you press a button on each one individually to link them to your vehicle. To exit programming mode, simply open and then close the driver's door. This action signals to the car that you are finished. Now, it's essential to test each programmed key fob to ensure they all function correctly with your Nissan Altima. Try locking, unlocking, and starting the car with each one. For more helpful tips and other great deals, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.